Some people enjoy proofreading, and for other people, it can be a real chore having to proofread an essay or even a paragraph of text. Now, I'm inside of Microsoft Word, and there's a really cool feature here where you can have Microsoft Word actually read you what the text is saying. And you can get there pretty easily. Here I've got some text in my essay, and I'm going to go up here to the top bar, and I'm going to click on Review, and then under Review, there's a Read Aloud button right here, and it'll read the text out loud, and it'll highlight each word as it's read. I'm going to click it.
Print on demand, POD, has reshaped how creators bring products to market, especially in areas like apparel, posters, books, and merch.
Now you can stop this at any time by simply clicking the Read Aloud button again. It's a really useful feature if you don't want to read this out loud yourself, and sometimes reading text and listening to someone talk at the same time can help you detect errors or typos in the text. It's a cool option inside of Microsoft Word that you may not have heard of. Read aloud. Here's another video where you can have some fun using Microsoft Office products.